children. Today we are going to learn poem Crying. See, first we read the poem. Crying only a little bit is no use. You must cry until your pillow is soaked. Then you can jump in the shower and splash, splash, splash. Then you can throw open our window and ha 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 ha. And if people say, hey, what's going on up there? Ha ha, sing back. Happiness was hiding in the last year. I wept it. Ha ha. Galway in. Now, say about poem. We discuss about this poem. Crying a little is of no crying only a little bit is no use. You must cry until your pillow is soaked. Means crying a little is of no use. You must cry till your pillow gets drenched with your tears. थोड़ा रोने से आपको कोई मतलब नहीं है. इतना रोना है कि जो तुम्हारा तकिया यानी पिलो है वह आंसुओं से पूरी तरह क्या हो जाना चाहिए, भीग जाना चाहिए. Then you can jump in the shower and splash splash splash. तभी तुम खुश हो सकते हो और जो शॉवर या जिसे हम फवारा बोलेंगे उसमें क्या कर सकते हो, भीग सकते हो, कूद सकते हो. Then you can throw open our window and ha 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 ha. और क्या करना है, तभी तुम तहे दिल से हंस सकते हो. ओपन आवर विंडो मीन्स मन की जो खिड़की है उसे खोलकर पूरी तरह से खुल के हंस सकते हो. एंड इफ पीपल से हे व्हाट्स गोइंग अप, तब लोग पूछेंगे कि अरे ये क्या हो रहा है, क्या चल रहा है. और वो क्या हो जाएंगे, हैरान हो गया, अरे अभी तो ये रो रहा था और अभी हंस क्यों रहा है. लेकिन हमें इस बात पर क्या करना है, ध्यान नहीं देना है. हा हा सिंग बैक, फिर से हमें क्या करना है, मुस्कुराना है, हंसना है. बट व्हाई, you just tell them that the happiness was lying in the last tear. In other words, the last drop of tear carried happiness. और तुम्हें उन्हें बताना है कि तुम्हारी प्रसन्नता तुम्हारे आखिरी आंसू में छिपी थी. इन लास्ट टीयर्स अर्थात आखिरी आपका जो आंसू था यानी लास्ट टीयर, वो आपको क्या देकर गया है, प्रसन्नता देकर गया है, आनंद खुशी देकर गया है, हैप्पीनेस. नाउ सी न्यू वर्ड्स. फर्स्ट इज सोक. सोक मीन्स कंप्लीटली वेट, पूरी तरह से गीला हो जाना. Second word is shower. I think all of you are familiar with this word or with shower. Shower means bath in which water is sprayed from above. पानी की जिससे झरने की तरह ऊपर से बौछार होती है, जो बाथरूम में लगा होता है, shower. Then next word is splash. Splash means to throw water, spatter with water, पानी को छपछपाना. Next word is wept. Wept means shed tears or cry. There are some different opposite words in this lesson. Sadness. Opposite word is happiness. Next, sorrow. Opposite word, joy. Next is crying. Opposite word, laughing. Sad, happy. Now, see the questions. First question is, according to the poet, should you cry a little or should you cry a lot? Answer is, according to the poet, we should cry a lot. हमें थोड़ा नहीं हंसना है, खुल के हंसना है, रोना है. Second question is, what can you do after crying a lot? We can go park with our friends. Maybe your answer is different. After crying a lot, you can laugh heartily, you can discuss with your parents, or you can go to bed. Then question third, read the first two lines of the poem. What is the mood? Happy, sad, angry, jealous, or upset? See, first two lines. Crying only a little bit is no use. You must cry until your pillow is soaked. Which mood we found? Sad. Answer is sad. Second, in the last few lines, the mood of the poet has changed. In first two lines, the mood was sad. But in last few lines, the mood was changed. What is it now? Very happy, angry, cheerful, sad, jealous. If you see last lines, haha, sing back. Happiness was hiding in the last year. I wept it. Haha means now mood was very happy. Okay. Next, question 4. Are these sentences right or wrong? Means you have to write true or false. Question 1. The poet says you must not cry much. This sentence is absolutely wrong. Second, the poet says that you should cry till your pillow is soaked. Yes, this sentence is right. Then third, the poet says that after crying, you should open the window and laugh so that people will see that you are happy. Yes, this sentence is right. Number 4, the poet says that you should open the window and show people that you are crying. This sentence is wrong. Okay. Now, our next point is let's talk. Here is question, where do you cry? What are the things that make you cry? There are a lot of things, your answer may be different. Here, answer is I cry a lonely place. I cry when I am hurt. When we getting hurt, at that time we cry, but generally we cry a lonely place. Then question 2, can you cry when you are happy? Yes, sometimes I can cry when I am very happy. Yes, these tears we call when we have too much excitement or we feel too much happy. At that time sometimes we cry. Question third, which are the things that make you happy? In what ways do you show your happiness? I feel happy. Answer is I feel happy when I get what I desire at such situation. I laugh and get excited about my happiness. Now, in next, we have some words for practice. First is dash, bash, splash, cash, trash. If you see one common thing in all these words, yes, pronunciation. What we call this type of words? Rhyming words. These all are rhyming words. Next, steer, tear, clear, tear, dear. Shower, power, tower, flower, mower. Then poke, croak, soak, stroke, joke. And last line, wept, kept, crept, leapt, slept. Okay. Next is word building. Here is our question. The word happiness ends in ness, N-E-S-S, and comes from the word happy. Write three words that end in the same way. Means N-E-S-S is the last word. Which words do they come from? There are lot of words, but we have to write three words. Here is our answer. First is politeness. and word polite. Then cleverness, word is clever. Awareness, word is aware. Next session is let's write. Question: fill in the blanks with exact filling word. First, the tourists were dash to see the beautiful Taj Mahal. Options are amazed, shocked, worried. What happened if we see any beautiful place? Yes. Answer is the tourists were amazed to see the beautiful Taj Mahal. Amazed means surprise. Second question. The lights went out suddenly. I was alone and dash. Options are worried, shocked, frightened. Answer is the lights went out suddenly. I was alone and frightened. Then third question. He has been ill for a long time and his parents were dash. Options are unhappy, worried, angry. Here is the answer. He has been ill for a long time and his parents were worried. Number 4. The shopkeeper was dash when he saw his safe wide open with all his money missing. Options are unhappy, shocked, angry. Answer is the shopkeeper was shocked when he saw his safe wide open with all his money missing. Next, creative writing corner. Yes, here is one activity. Narrate an incident when you have experienced happiness, excitement, surprise. You can use the following clues. Our clues are with whom, when did it happen, why, where. By using these clues, we have to narrate one incident which we have experienced already. Here is one sample answer. Last year, I went to National Park with my parents and our family friends. We planned this trip in winter vacation. There was very exciting situation when I was in the ropeway. At that time, I was very happy and frightened. We saw there lot of animals and birds. I enjoyed it very much. It was most memorable trip of my life. This is sample answer. You can write in your own way. This is all about poem Crying. Thank you very much.